Good evening. Thank you for joining us tonight at 10. I'm Oscar Adame.
And I'm Dina Herrera Garza.
As I asked Father Feit, why are you here and not in prison?
A former monk takes a stand on day 3 of the murder trial of a former Valley priest. John Feit is due back in court tomorrow morning.
Today, Feit sat across a courtroom as a man from his past recalled a conversation the two had in 1963, 3 years after Irene Garza was murdered. Channel 5 Christine Galvan breaks down what jurors heard in the courtroom today.
McAllen's top cop, Victor Rodriguez, kicked off day 3 of testimony in John Feit's murder trial. The former priest is accused of killing a young McAllen school teacher over Easter weekend 1960. Feit was arrested in 2016, but was questioned immediately after police discovered the body of Irene Garza in an irrigation canal.
It says here he goes back to the pastoral house. That's the 6th time, right?
Yes, sir.
You don't have any evidence affirmatively linking John Feit to the disappearance of Irene Garza from what was known as that pastoral house at the San Juan Shrine.
That's true.
Jurors also heard from a retired San Antonio police detective who mentioned a name many in the courtroom won't soon forget.
Mr. Teschney had called me up.
Dale Teschney is a former monk who met John Feit 3 years after Garza was killed. Teschney told jurors John Feit confessed to killing a young woman while the two were at a monastery in 1963.
As I asked Father Feit, why are you here and not in prison? And he said there were 3 things. Number 1, the church helped me, primarily through a priest. And law enforcement helped him. And finally, the seal of confession helped him.
Feit has pled not guilty to murder. Tomorrow, prosecutors are expected to call 2 former priests who now testify as experts in criminal cases involving Catholic clergy. Christine Galvan, Channel 5 News at 10.